This is the BLENDJET 2 blender. The BLENDJET 2 serves up big blender power. Its stainless steel blades spin a whopping 275 times a second. So this machine is going to be making light work of anything from fruit and veg to nuts, seeds and loads more. The BLENDJET 2 allows you to truly blend and go, and it is perfect for those who want to take their post-workout smoothie to the gym with them. You simply blend it in the jar, then you pop on the leak-proof lid and then you head out the door. It also holds up to 475 millilitres, which is more than enough for a lovely refreshing iced coffee or a protein shake. And then when you're done, you don't have to worry about the mess either. You simply just add detergent and water, give it another little blend. It's lightweight and powerful, and this is the perfect blender for an awesome smoothie. What's not to love about the BLENDJET 2?